In this video, we are going to give you an overview of the Olymp Trade mobile trading platform for Android. Once you have created or signed into your existing account, first, let's take a look in the upper left corner. To the left of your account, you see 3 horizontal lines. This is your main menu tab. If you tap on it, a drop-down menu opens where you will have useful information such as deposit and withdrawal transactions, your trading history, and quotes for different assets. Here you will also find client support, your profile, and general settings menu. At the bottom of this list is the sign off button. Now, let's return back to the platform. To the right of the menu, you can see your account type and the deposited amount on the account. If you tap here, you can switch between your live and demo account. In the top left corner below the menu, you can see the asset that is currently displayed on the platform chart. Simply tap on the asset to open the full list of trading instruments. When choosing your asset for option trading, the rate of return will be displayed to the right of the asset. This area is also used to switch between options and forex trading. To the right of the chosen asset, we see the indicator sign, which looks somewhat like the letter A. Clicking this icon will open the list of indicators that are available for trading. You may mark your favorite indicators for faster and easier access. To the right of the indicators is where you can choose how your graph is displayed. You can choose an area chart, Japanese candlesticks, bars, or Heiken Ashi. Tap on the icon to choose your preference for display. And finally, to the right of the chart display is where you can change your time frame. Time frame is the time period of each bar or candlestick. It also means in how long a new closing price will appear on the chart. Right above the time frame button, you can see 2 arrows. By clicking here, you can see your trading history. Please note that you can scroll your chart back and forth to view the chart history. You may also modify the graph display by pinch zooming in and out on the chart. Now, let's take a look at what we have at the bottom. The menu to open a trade on options and forex differs slightly. First, I will show you how everything works on the options platform. Options. On the lower left, in the gray shaded area, there is a chosen time, currently displayed as 5 minutes. This is the expiration period for the trade. You may choose from 1 minute and up to 23 hours. The maximum expiration period for options is 1 day, Monday through Friday. To the right of the expiration time is the amount that you wish to open the trade for. The rate of return percent or your profit will be based from this amount. Below that, you have a red put and green call button. You would tap on the red button if you predict that the price will be lower than the current price after the chosen expiration period. Likewise, you would choose the green button if you predict that the price will be higher than the current price. And lastly, allow me to briefly explain the strike price that is located between the red and green button. First thing to note is that the strike price is only available for trades with an expiration period of 5 minutes or less, and may be available for some assets and not others. Strike price gives you the option to enter a trade at a slightly lower or higher price than the current price. Generally, 5 quotes will be displayed: the current price, 2 higher prices, and 2 lower prices in relation to the current price level. Technically, you can control the expiration time, the trade amount, and the strike price at the same time in the menu that is displayed upon clicking on any of the 3. Now let's take a look at forex. A few key differences while we're looking at the menu. Options has a fixed profit depending on the chosen asset and rate of return, and depends on the outcome of your prediction after the chosen expiration time. Forex does not have an expiration time or rate of return. The profit depends on how much the price changes from the opening price of the trade. Looking at the bottom area on our mobile platform, in the gray shaded area, we have an amount. for example in dollars. This is how much we are opening our trade for. Just a quick reminder that with Olymp Trade, you cannot lose more than the amount of your trade. If we tap here, we can change the amount of the trade and also change the multiplier. A multiplier is a financial service that allows to increase the size of a trade by a factor of 50, 100, 200, or 500 relative to the amount invested. We have a red button to sell and a green button to buy. You would press the red sell button if you believe that the price of the asset will go down so that you may repurchase it at a lower price. And you would choose the green buy button if you believe that the price will go up so you can later sell it at a more profitable rate. I would now like to bring your attention to the bottom left corner where it says commission. This is the final difference between options and Forex. On Forex, there is a commission charged for opening a trade. You can see the amount of the commission prior to opening the trade. Please stay tuned for part 2 of this video on how to start trading on the Olymp Trade mobile platform for Android.